Assalamualaikum warahmatullah and good afternoon. Okay, the video before this, in that video we have discussed on how to create two forms. We have created student form for administrators to enter details about students, and then we have created a course registration form for use by students to register the courses that they want to take for a certain semester. The third form that we want to create now is a grades form. It will be used by lecturers to enter the grades of the students in their subject. Okay, so we will create that form now. So again, this time I'm going to use again the form wizard. Okay, form wizard is a very convenient way of creating form. Okay, so click on create, click on form wizard. Okay, so this time, because the perspective now is that lecturers will be entering the students based on the subjects that the lecturers teach. Okay, so in the header part, in the overall part of the form, it should be showing the course, okay, rather than students. Okay, so we will show course code and we will show course name. Okay, and then we will have the student courses, because here is the place where we will be showing the student and the semester. Okay, so let's put in the semester code first. Okay, and then the student ID and the grade for the student. Okay, okay, but then not only we want to look at the student ID, we want to also show the student name. Okay, so we will take from the table, just from the student table. So we will choose students table and then we will show the name of the student. Okay, and then so that is enough. Okay, so we have course code, course name, we have the semester code, the student ID, student name, and the grade. Okay, let's go to next. So how do you want to view the data? Yes, by courses. Okay, that's good. Click on next. We're going to use a data sheet or a tabular. Let's use a data sheet. Okay, click on next. What titles do you want for your form? This is the grading form. Okay, course grading form. Let's name this as course grading form, and then the subform, let's name it as student grades subform. Okay, let's modify the design first. Okay, click finish. Okay, so we have the course code, we have the course name. Okay, let's make these slightly narrower. Okay, this one as well. So let's take this to the left here. Okay, then let's move this to slightly to the left, and then here, yeah, student grades. Okay, that's fine. Let's create a save button. Or form operation, let's have a close form. Okay, let's save that. Okay, before that, we don't want the lecturer to change the course name and course code. That will be problematic in the future. So let's change it. Let's make it to be disabled again. So let's highlight these two text boxes and click on data on the property sheet and make it disable. Enable, click no, and locked, let's lock it to have it locked. Yes. Okay, we can also remove the border on the text boxes by going to format And border style, we have solid, we can have transparent. Let's change it to transparent. Okay, and then let's save this. Okay, let's close it, and let's modify the subform. Okay, so the subform for the course grading form is the student grades subform. Let's right click on it and click on design view. Okay, here is the arrangements of the arrangement for the data. So we have semester code, we have student ID. Okay, let's this will be in a datasheet form. Okay, let's, so student semester code, student ID, student name, and grade. Okay, let's save that. Okay, okay, now let's close this and let's try to open the course grading form. So now we have now at the moment it's showing accounting information systems, and it is showing one student. Okay, semester code, and then the student ID and the student name. All right, it's, so we have the student name, we have the grade. Okay, and if we go to the next record, will be the next subject. Okay, so this principles of accounting, 3 people are taking principles of accounting. And if we go to the next one, computer applications, 2 students are taking computer applications. Okay, so now we can enter the grades in here. All right, so before doing that, let's see if the grades, we actually have a list of grades. Okay, let's close it. Let's click on grade lookup. Okay, so we have A minus B, and so on. Okay, so theoretically we can only enter grades that are existed in the grade lookup table. Okay, because we have linked and we have enforced the referential integrity between the student courses table and the grade lookup table. Okay, so let's go back to the course grading form. Let's try to enter some grades. So let's say for this student we are giving it, let's say A plus. A plus doesn't exist. Okay, let's see if this works. See what it says here. You cannot add or change a record because a related record is required in table grade lookup. So like I've said before, because we have enforced the referential integrity when we have designed the relationship, remember the chart of the relationship, we have selected to have the referential integrity check. Okay, so now it doesn't allow us to enter a data which does not exist in the original table. Okay, so we cannot enter A plus because there's no A plus in grade lookup. See, there's no A plus. So we can change it to A minus. Okay, then it's fine. Then we can go to the next subject. Click on the play button in the bottom there. So we go to the next subject. So now we can enter, let's just put some random grades, B plus, C, and A minus for that subject, and then another grade for C plus and B minus. So this is the course grading form. Okay,